AMX MUSE delivers the most flexible control solution ever by fully embracing open standard tools and technologies. A platform that works for everyone with tools for skilled coders and no-code, low-code options, inspiring you to create even better solutions. MUSE works with 3 of the most popular programming languages. Use any combination together on the same project. Take advantage of the massive worldwide developer support community and standard developer resources. Work with existing panel designs and files. Multiple developers and engineers can work alongside each other using the language that works best for them. You can use your own IDEs to develop for MUSE. Use your favorite or Visual Studio Code and the MUSE extension to streamline integration with MUSE hardware and other devices. The free VS Code editor is available on any platform with a rich ecosystem of extensions to add features. Create solutions with no-code, low-code visual programming with core support for Node-RED, a visual programming environment used worldwide with a massive community of developers with a library of nodes supporting AMX hardware. Leverage the extensive library of existing nodes and flows. Even create your own nodes to streamline configuration further to deliver solutions for all sizes. MUSE natively supports existing HARMAN control technologies and devices, seamlessly integrating the huge family of AMX, BSS, and Crown audio and video products, and integration with H-Control, the future of HARMAN professional control technologies. Use the library of thousands of existing AMX Duet drivers and countless open-source nodes, flows, modules, and extensions. MUSE is designed for the technologies of tomorrow and includes support for legacy protocols offering ultimate flexibility. Run any number of simultaneous scripts with mass deployment, multiple technologies executing side by side, all running on AMX hallmark, powerful, reliable, and secure hardware. With streamlined tools for work on site and the power and sophistication for advanced programmers, MUSE enables you to work the way you want. Deliver automation and control your way.